Hi there, let's continue our work with this Cayenne heavy tank, and we're close to the ending of the building process, and I'm going to add here some upgrades. Progress from previous episode you can check on the links below this video. So this kit from I'm using HUMMVEE 1:35 scale plastic model, and we see here wiring imitation and installed headlights. We have protection for them from in-box metallic parts, but at first I want to connect headlights to these wires. At first I'll remove a piece of them to the binding points. In that case we can avoid putty here. As for wire, I'll take real piece of wire, bend it, and with the help of super glue we can install these metallic pieces. Carefully, a little bit of patience, maybe that process could be done easier before headlights installation, but we do it now. After that we can prepare protection for headlights. We have here several bending points on these details, and step by step we can prepare these metallic details. These parts from thin and soft metal, so there is no problems with them during the work. When details prepared, we can install them in the same way with the help of super glue gel. Headlights doesn't have transparent glasses parts from the box, only from brown plastic, so we upgrade them later in the end of painting works. Front part of the tank is the most visible, so small upgrades here would be very useful. Except this stuff, I already installed here mirrors for driver and different handlers for cables. There was also several metallic parts. We have in-box thread for cables imitation. It's too thin, I think, so I want to replace it with upgraded metallic cables, but unfortunately I have too much short part of this cable. So maybe I'll purchase another kit and later I will upgrade these cables, or leave it as it is without cables. And one more thing that I want to upgrade, to improve in this hull. We have here stock towing parts. They are incorrect, so I cut them a little and insert additional triangled plastic pieces there. Though now these details received straight form, and now they look like real parts on real can. Now we can glue them on the tank. Finally we can proceed to the turret assembling. Side and upper parts details have fine textures. Before connection we insert here detail responsible for vertical steering. Connection here not the best in this kit, but it could be. Especially rear side, we definitely need there some putty to hide that gaps. From the front side we added gun manlet, and now we can install big upper section. Actually turret the same as Centurion tank has. Upper section has better connection, and connection seams would be mostly hidden behind the big storage bins. We use here extra thin glue from Tamiya to connect all this stuff together. So I added boxes from the left side and small hatch there, and now we can do the same thing from the opposite side. Well, I think it would be better solution to apply putty at first and then install the boxes, but I'll apply putty later. With these big boxes, turret became much bigger. Added putty somewhere and restored wires. What we can do now is one more upgrade. We have extra thin paper from shoes box, and we have paper glue, PVA. Let's apply glue on this paper piece. Now our paper became more flexible, and that helps us to apply this cover over the gun manlet. And in such a way we will imitate dust cover, because most of the photos with these CAERNARVON tanks has such a dust cover protection over the gun manlet. And why not? Such a cover, such imitation, not 100 accurate, but looks good enough and close to real one. We'll try to provide some additional relief here with a hand brush and glue. And before it dries up, I, with the help of sharp blade, trying to remove excess of paper. Next day I cut off holes for gun and MG. But this paper is still too much fragile, so I think we can additionally apply here liquid super glue. Over this paper piece it transforms it something close to plastic. And it would be a good solution to apply some amount of this glue from the inner side of this cover, because the PVA glue doesn't provide too much connection between plastic and paper. Anyway, looks interesting. Now our dust cover gain more strength, and I decided to block steering mechanism, because if I'm trying to move gun on vertical axis we will cause damage on our cover and we don't want it, so we can block and glue our steering mechanism. We don't need it anymore. After all, for demonstrational purposes, I paint this cover with the help of hand brush and acrylic paint, install the gun and MG, and I think our result is pretty good. Well, it would be better after the whole painting works, but as for now it's okay. Additionally, I provided wires for smoke grenade launchers, cut off plastic from these optics. I think we can put there a piece of CD when the painting works would be finished, while other triplexes would be simply painted. And I think we need here more putty before painting and antennas in the end. Also we have in the box even a Browning machine gun for it, but the real tank wasn't have such a machine gun, so I decided not to install it. So building process completed. I think we can prepare it for painting. Also I think we need to glue these workable track links, because they fragile and they can disconnect anytime during painting process, so maybe we will glue them. And several more details we have here, additional skirts to hide suspension parts, well, paint them separately as well. And such a good result for this stage. That wasn't difficult build, no big problems here, and good kit I can say. Now we can paint it step by step with the British green or maybe desert tones. Anyway, thank you for watching, hope you enjoy, and see you next time during the painting works. Bye.